What's up, gang, and welcome back to my channel. You guys, I know it has been a long time since I have graced your screen, okay, y'all, but some things have changed, and y'all just make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe so y'all can be on this new journey with me as well. So y'all, this is basically a vlog of me showing y'all how to get up out of your hometown, okay? So y'all, this is me at the airport, and I'm basically just, doing normal airport stuff, checking in, got my bags, y'all. So basically, I have been in the process of trying to relocate, and y'all, I have finally got the email basically saying that I could come and sign my lease, y'all. So y'all, I ran to the airport, okay? So y'all, this is us once we finally got off our flight and everything. I'm sorry, y'all, I really couldn't record much, especially with having my kid. It just was a lot going on. So y'all, this is us. Y'all see Paige right there. She got her little suitcase, and we're basically just looking for our ride so we can go and check out the apartment. Now y'all, I have only seen the apartment online. I did the whole process online, y'all. So if y'all want to know more about that, go ahead and comment down below, and y'all, I'll be happy to answer any questions that y'all have. But yes, y'all, I did the process online. So when y'all see the apartment with me, know that we're seeing it together for the first time in person, okay, y'all? But I am super ecstatic to be getting out of my hometown, y'all. I have never lived outside of Indiana. I have went to college, but y'all, I was still in the state of Indiana, so I've probably been a couple hours away from my hometown, okay, y'all. I'm from Fort Wayne. I went to school in Terre Haute. I've been to Indianapolis. If y'all know anything, you know those are all in Indiana, okay, y'all. So we finally found our ride, and there is my godmom, y'all. She was super excited to see us, and Paige was super excited to see her, y'all. So this is just them, basically just happy that we made it. And y'all, I'm about to take y'all to the apartment. Welcome to the apartment, y'all. That is the patio. This is gonna be like a quick mini tour, y'all, because I clearly don't have nothing set up. So this is like the little dining area that they give you for your kitchen. That is the kitchen, okay? And y'all, I did get a 3-bedroom. This is the hall. Yes, y'all see my keys. That's the guest bathroom. That's my makeup room. This is my bedroom, and it does have a bathroom inside of it. And we have like a really big closet compared to where we came from, y'all. The closet was not that big. So yes, y'all, now I'm gonna take you guys to the pool with us because we were tired and we wanted to go to the pool after. So hello, it's me. And there's Paige. She is on my phone, y'all, so she's not really paying attention. You guys.
I'm paying attention, guys. But you don't look at me because I'm going to the pool.
Yes, we're on our way to the pool. We're on our way to the pool in our apartment complex.
So slow, gang.
If you guys don't know, you know now. We recently moved to Texas, so we are just kind of out here living our life. back yet.
That what I made, Mom?
Yeah, you can get on my back. You wanna do that? And get in the water.
Okay.
You can't go that far. It's gonna, that's why I'm getting you a swim.
It's paid to hold on to the ball of the float. You gotta hug it tight. Come here. Bring it in. Hey!
Mom,
I got you, boo.
I don't care.
The lady from the lead into the pool. You know what I mean. You know where it's taken.
Mom, I think I know.
The lady from the
Mom, get down.
Excuse me, is the pool open?
Yeah, I think so.
That's what I told her. She came to the gate.
Hey, Mom, get
Yeah, we gotta get some. Here, get the ball. What did you do with my phone? Oh, you got my phone right by your head.
That's not my phone. It's not even where to put it.
On the chair?
Mom.
Here, they're gonna step. No, I'm putting you on the step. Calm down. Hey, chill.
I like that.
You on the floor?
Yeah.
Okay.
See, I'm back.
Yo, your tippy toes? No, she's flat. That's why I'm like, okay, so
Go
it's
ahead, don't
deeper.
bring her too much because
It's
it
deeper
goes
in the
down.
middle, yeah.
You can see it going down from where
Yeah,
y'all
it's
are.
deeper in the middle. Stay right. Oh, shoot.
Mom, give it to me. Mom, it just gave to me.
Come on, calm down.
It just took you, Gee.
But did she just say she wanted to be by herself, y'all? Tell her to make up her mind.
I'm gonna splash cream.
No, don't.
I meant to send my thing to Tyreek and tease him while he at work.
Oh, yeah, taste my phone hot.
Banana boo boo, banana boo.
Brittany, grab mine, wrap it up in that towel. In the towel we got.
Where yours at?
Right here in my shoes.
Oh.
Come in, hold on to it. It's gonna make you float. Stay right here and hold on. Hug it tight.
They need to let it be open 24 hours since we ain't had it.
Right. Talking about till 10 o'clock.
That's it?
We're gonna be in here at 1 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, because long time ago now.
Uh-oh.
I know that was gonna be really hot.
I'm gonna be black as fuck playing in this water.
I'm about to get it.
Yeah, because I don't care who out here. I'm out here.
What? How you do that?
You gotta practice. Watch, when you get finished practicing, you're gonna be like, oh, I can swim.
I haven't told nobody that I moved.
For real?
Yeah.
They didn't need to know, talk about catch me on the snap.
I ain't tell nobody. I think one day I'm going to just be like, oh, we move out of Indiana and don't tell nobody.
Right.
My family, you know, the people that need to know.
They know, right.
But
Right.
as far as
You know what? I didn't tell nobody when I left Louisiana. I didn't tell nobody. I just
catch me outside.
Yeah.
Can you get it?
threw the water on it. That's it. Once it get wet, it's over with. Hey, stop. Get in.
Yeah.
Well, gang, that's gonna conclude my vlog here with you guys. If you are thinking about moving out of your hometown and you scared, just go ahead and do it, y'all. Fear and faith do not occupy the same space. I really want to thank my lash gang so much, y'all. We launched inside of City Trends, and y'all, things have just been taking off. And without my gang, y'all, I wouldn't have just been able to just pack up and just leave like I did, y'all. I just left. I didn't take anything, nothing, y'all. So I am literally starting completely over. And that's okay, y'all. It's a part of the process. And I just want to thank y'all so much.